By 2030, millions of jobs could disappear as artificial intelligence transforms the global economy.
But hidden inside this disruption is one of the biggest wealth opportunities of our generation.
History rewards those who adapt before everyone else realizes what's happening. The internet created billion-dollar companies. Artificial intelligence could create even more.
The first valuable skill is prompt engineering.
The better you communicate with AI, the more valuable its output becomes.
Companies are already paying professionals to unlock AI's full potential.
The second skill is AI automation.
Businesses are racing to eliminate repetitive work and increase efficiency.
The third skill is AI content creation.
Content drives attention, and attention drives business. The fourth skill is AI data analysis. Data alone isn't valuable. Insight
It's
is.
live everywhere.
Incredible work. Congratulations to the whole team.
Today's small startups could become tomorrow's billion-dollar
The
companies.
sixth skill is AI marketing.
Businesses spend billions reaching customers. AI makes that process smarter.
The projected growth metrics are undeniable.
But what about the ethical safeguards on the neural network deployment in Sector Gamma?
The future belongs to people who learn, adapt, and act before everyone else.